guys, welcome back to another video with me, Sarah at Free Mind, where education equals freedom. In this video, I'm going to teach you the 4 questions that everyone is going to ask you when they first meet you and realize that you're ESL. To start, I'm going to give you a short introduction to myself and see if you guys can figure out which questions people are going to ask you. Here we go. I'm Sarah. I'm from Canada. I've been here my whole life. I run a teaching company to help people learn English. Okay, those are the 4 statements. My first statement was, I'm Sarah. So what question are people going to ask you? What's your name? Right. The second statement I said is, I'm from Canada. So which question are people going to ask you? Where are you from? The third statement I said is, I've been here for my whole life. So what question are people going to ask you? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? And the fourth statement I made was, I run a teaching company to help people learn English. So what question are people going to ask you? What do you do? And I said, my job. Now some of you might say that you study. So let's run through those 4 questions again, some alternative questions for them, and some alternative answers. The first question is, what's your name? What are some alternative questions for that? Sometimes people might say, what do people call you? And they'll say that especially if you have a difficult name or a name that doesn't sound very English. If you have a Chinese name like Xiaojie or Liang Kui, people might say, what's your English name? Or what do people call you? Also, it's important to note that Chinese speakers and Spanish speakers sometimes have different names or multiple names. So what's your first name, or what do people call you? That means, what do your friends call you? And in Canada, we use our first name, not our family name. The only time we use our family name is in a more professional or formal environment for a teacher or a doctor or something like that. And also for little children to call adults, they'll use a family name like Miss Dasco or Mrs. Smith or Mr. Mao. The second question I asked is, where are you from? That's pretty standard. Most people will just ask, where are you from? Some alternative questions might be, what's your home country? Where were you born? The only way to really answer this question is, I'm from blank. I'm from Canada, I'm from China, I'm from Peru. I'm from, that's the simplest, most natural way to answer that question. Some people have a tendency to say my home country is. That's not as natural. The third question I asked was, how long have you been here? How long have you been here? People will ask that question fairly speedily, so listen closely. How long have you been here? Sometimes people will say, when did you get here? When did you get here? And the answer can actually be the same. So how long have you been here? I've been here for 3 months. When did you get here? I've been here for 3 months. You can say that answer for both questions. If you want to give the date of your arrival, you can also do that. I got here April 15th. I got here April 22nd. And you can use that answer for both questions. How long have you been here? I've been here for 3 months. I got here April 22nd, 2016. When did you get here? I've been here for 3 months. I got here April 22nd, 2016. Another alternative to that question is, when did you come here? When did you come to Canada? When did you come to Calgary? And again, you can use the same answers. Now pay attention very closely for pronunciation. I've been. I've been here for 4 years. I've been here since April. I've been here for 3 years, so for the duration. I've been here since, and then the date. The fourth question is, what do you do? You're going to answer either that you work or that you're studying. So if somebody says, what do you do? You can say, I'm a student. Or you can say, I'm studying in university. Or I'm taking an English course. As a little more of an advanced answer, you can say, I'm not working right now, I'm studying. I'm not working right now, I'm studying. You could also say, I'm studying to become a whatever. I'm studying to become a lawyer. I'm studying to become a doctor. I'm studying to become an engineer. If you're working, you would say, I work as a I work as a journalist. Or you can just say, I'm a journalist. I'm a reporter. I'm a lawyer. I'm a doctor. And then the other thing is, I'm studying. A lot of my Spanish speakers say I'm studying. They forget to close their mouth. I'm studying. I'm studying. I'm working. I'm working. Okay, those are the 4 main questions that you will be asked by everyone when you come to an English-speaking country. So make sure you know those answers. If you have any questions about those questions, comment below so I can help you guys out. Let me know what else you want to see in future videos. And please like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned. We'll see you guys in the next video.